Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about another topic on the Bootstrap. We're going to talk about how the colors of the Bootstrap works. So first of all, I'm going to go to the browser and you can see that here is nothing. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to apply some text. And here I'm going to apply the P tag. Well, there are two kind of ways to put the colors, the background color or the text color. So I'm going to talk about both. First of all, I'm going to talk about the text color. So the text or this is the paragraph. Save it. And now I'm going to go there and I'm going to apply the Bootstrap colors in this paragraph. So there are a lot of colors of the Bootstrap you can apply. The very first I'm going to apply is something the class text primary and save it. Now go to the browser and refresh it. You can see that there is a text which is actually in a blue color. This is actually called the primary text color. Oh, I just put it a raw and I didn't put the this thing, the col 12, and or it's not necessary to put the value when I just want to leave this on a Bootstrap to decide what is the best for me. So there, refresh that and now you can see that it just changed the place a little. Okay, and this is a paragraph, this is a text, and now the text is visible. And I'm just gonna simply duplicate that. Oh man, okay, copy this and line break and paste it here, and I'm just gonna put some different values there. Like I just put it the primary text, I'm gonna put the text muted. So here I'm gonna put the muted. Save. And now I'm gonna go to the browser and refresh that. Now there is a muted text. You can see that this is the muted text. Go back and I'm going down and now I'm just gonna put another one, and here I'm just gonna put the text warning, some kind of warning text here. Save. Now go back and refresh. You can see that the color is the warning color now. Now go down and put another one, and I'm just changing the primary into the text light. Save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. There's a light text. Oh wow, that's really cool and really lighty. Well, you'll understand this once we just put the background colors in them. And now this one I'm just gonna make the dark one, dark. Save it. Go back to the browser. Here is the browser. Refresh that. Now there's a dark one, and now the another one. There, the text danger. Okay, and I'm just going down and putting another one. After the text danger, I'm just putting text secondary. Okay, now I'm just going to check both of them in a browser. Refresh that, the text danger and the text secondary, and in the same way I'm just going to apply two more are there. The go there, line break and put it one, and I'm just going to remove the primary text again. I'm just going to put something like success, and I'm just going to go down and just going to paste the another one. This one is the info, and save it. Now go to the browser back and refresh that. So now you can see that this is the all text colors Bootstrap has. Now if you just apply the other things, and those other things are, I'm going there and adding any space, and I'm putting the different things like BG primary, and save it. Now go to the browser. This one was the blue, and refresh that. Now you can see that the both are the same color. So now it became a blunder here, but you can see that at least we just put it something I'm just doing one thing. I'm just copying this whole column and pasting there. Now I'm removing this thing and saving. Now going back and going there and simply refreshing that again, and now there's a text. It is the dark one. I'm just putting the light one here. Copy this. I'm just trying to make some kind of a nice combination. So refresh that again, and now you can see that this one is white, the light ones. Okay, and there I'm removing this PG primary. Now I'm actually deleting all of them, and I'm just going to use the text light in a way. Copy, and I'm going there, and I'm just going to apply the text light. And now after the BG primary, I'm going to apply the other one. Wait a minute, go there. Okay, remove the primary, and I'm going to put the BG info. I can put a lot of them. Just simply go down, and after the info, I'm just putting the success here. Not necessary to check each of them, because I know the result, and you'll know that too. So PG light and the combination of PG dark. Okay, that's an awesome thing, by the way. The PG light, this won't be a combination, so I'm just making it text dark. Okay, and I'm just going down and PG warning, and I'm just going down again, and after the warning, I'm just putting here secondary, and there after the secondary, I've just put the info, the success. Oh, I didn't put the danger here, the danger. Okay, what more? The secondary warning, danger, primary, success. Okay, all done. Go to the browser and refresh that. Now you'll see this is how things works. The Bootstrap color, the templates, the color templates are here. So now this is how the Bootstrap colors just work on the text. So I think you just understood all of them. So in the next lecture, we'll be talking about some more things. I think we just talked about the text enough. So the next lecture should be on Bootstrap text. So stay tuned and goodbye.